was your mamma fan, chia, cassia, and my baby biane, baby biane, baby bia, crony, or mine, a crabia, siawa. Whatever we fidiato, Adom 106.3. Make us a dear free fan of our street, Kokomremle. Bijiri yese bibi aboko, yen nambosumia etoso miensa eyimo. Abragana di nimfie eduyesia enum. Nida etoso engotwe emu ena yewe. Ene de ya nkasano so da odisiwo emamba nyina World Women's Day. Emba nyina wo wiase nyina. So today is a wonderful day. Mame namukwa wezi so and salute to every woman. Yankasa Mother's Day, World Women's Day. And we your bankwa dear. And you want to boa papa wasem. I could try unipedua so by your bad dear. Nase nyame bo nase wo bibi bia wo ho bia so bad dear. Mo madam ho ma ne de monka ho. What did they make I no? Mo madam ho ma no monka ho. They mo make wo mo originally unyame bo wo mo a omukura Emma isu ene ban ene abosu no sene nyame bo no o kura ma niema bia na wona America ho asem. And so me mama nyina and we chief executive, we director, whoever you are, as long as you are a woman, today is a World Women's Day. So good morning to all women. Mama chachi amunyina na me hwese munyina so mo hoye na obabia irrespective and found it sending out biana nyame de obawi ase ama abotae obabia wotemene biana nyame de obawi ase afade nyame bo adam wie e no do oba ne bae no dim say adam kwantime nyo enti no de wo sa obaye e bae. So good morning and God bless you for you being here. So do Fidiato Adom 106.3 ne senti mamenko na mene oba ba ko entwetwe nkomo kakra na mensan emra wonche for wasida endida se me show atoye ni we humo bra Echo baby awuni mini biana with me abomoden na our friend and I can just say happy World Women's Day. Maybe be pretty to come when him grass and a World Women's Day. Oh, when I say Papa we so do hard, you know. Meant me I wish me you know. Win him. Iti wana mene kasa mene baba ko e kasa se no kan wo sun na am kan se mensu wudi memechi ya obesun da meme ne bi no je se wo ye ne mafon kra wo hu no wonim kra so be kam ye sorry kra na kan se memfi no e kra sine kakra memfi no Beba grow be winning na ka because no na kasa agere yes in crasesem medium crasesem kese pa enye ne se wafa wo yirechi ukowo abantene na osan eye ohun twan bawi na osan keke bi kire wo yira na mfi se wo yikrasini I'm sorry, but I'm really sorry, but that is what I have to tell you. I'm sorry, sir. Why you offended there? Wow, Yirechi. They will be apologetic. So, my dear, my you fin into the we crossing for any tour. I'm sorry, I'm sorry, but. Oh my God. Well, but today is a World Women's Day, so let me congratulate every woman. The first lady of the country, the second lady, the queens, my hima fwa, woman, Bumi Mwasi, Etramu Pruse. Asante Hima. Meyere Winu Group, Daughters of Glorious Jesus. I salute all of you. Counselor, my mama also so be. And trust I present ya, crowd obey. Okay. So happy World Women's Day. When your Mother's Day, there is a difference between Women's Day and Mother's Day. Your baby, we are Sibia, your flower bar. Was a young man in our Sabia Kusabia when it may a mammy for. And it drew Mother's Day. I know Crampono, Yana one, I'll pen over to me, I was on your mother, because as long as I would to me attitude will be the way your mother. I did what my digital moves will be unfrozen. I said, Sister Sarah, no one go here. I may say, we have a fro, a man, mammy. That's no one go here. And a year from Yatum. Into being swabba. If I were no one crack, couldn't say, Nasa me, dear Meira ye, dear Meira ye, dear. Dear Meira ye, dear bed in Yanko Ponswaba. Abraham could not believe it from the first time that God said to him a year by this time, you have a child with your wife. Let me catch them. I said, then they did to them with tears in the as I'm a to baby, say, manage the way you laugh. Said the Quran, manage it. Said the Abu no more, which me the can't talk. So your friend laughter management. Say what anger management, you know, the same way we have laughter management. City everyone will be Syria. Nowadays, attraction will be jam city, so only be jam city. One more to so slim crass city. Oh, yes, well, good morning, good people. World Women's Day. Timothy also baby bear what? Should I name on a ticket? What a trot was a the whole 24 hours a mother. It down what your baby no I had a name. Was it Mera Bahima Yansa for that is our bigger the sagacity of our big girl. Benyansa for Benim before you shall proceed. But if over Priscilla Medodia Mawati. Tell them who are my person, I can't hold on, person, I can't feed you, so now I had so, and person, I can't feed you. Your baby and Pacho with Timmy Biana, may you also answer Mene or so for Abraham Bafo. Also, baby. Abafo be ya na ewu asoso na wo de on pa ewu anana
kubafo
opokubafo ento pe opokubafo no enti ene yenye no AOB Abraham opokubafo AOB se bi she obi a AOB ya Trinity bas the software wo sa kwa no so ho next month you be bar for my street devotion but mukwane nye akwano aso ne kona na adukuru mu kwane nye eme nwa kura makanse mu ashada pa na makanse ekwa wono president Kufuor started and President Mills Betwa so amanwie and President Mama Bai amanwie na do bai na meka so be wie no krante mama ye when wie ye fantastic bit menam kwano so bia na mebuafu because be shek kwano a cars do a fast so it's a major road my yeah overhead if but when you try you know pa dia kenyinanye farmer summer na bedroom hono mo say bros Kutunsin. Edi asem kura. Batutum san te ka monokura no acha 1 2 3 years wa absorbers nyina ase. Yenso so ye gire ye gi en road tax. Eno na ya no mo ka tax say ye tua o. Obi a use ka bia utua tax. Mimi tua road tax more than one. Mo pesa mo gire say. I say it with confidence and with respect because me tua tax for my road management. Ne kwan fon sa de me fa so a wo se mamenka. Right, it's a early morning, but some of these days. Me road in a maminya accident last year. By a bridge, I also with me kataso. You know, and you may be one of my metnasia and business say, Sir contractor for Ibino, Sebium Sebioko. Into a madjene Korawa Henefa. Why you rude also with me covaso, one covaso. Binya accident in a gene say, but Jimbe Muno, or Becquap on Baye. Still at the down 1 year. Gano, what na se dwene ne me bia na ye wo ya se why ye bridge come fe na mo gya ho no mo ne de na tia begu so na amama kom sama soto ne me ka hwo me ka hwe aban na pe ka ma me. It doesn't make any sense as a citizen. Tia tax, road tax. And then ya wada baradia no ya benti. Let me pause there. Many people are mekayana mame bufu. I become so provoked. Look at Kumasi Road. No one a constant. It started by one president. 1 2 3 presidents are back. We couldn't finish it. What are we talking about? Oh yeah. Good morning. Listen to this. Let me come back to you. Listen to this.
There is a new African in the world. That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing his own affairs. And my last warning to you is that you all should stand firm behind us so that we can prove to the world that when the African is given a chance, he can show to the world that he's somebody. We are waiting. We shall no more go back to sleep anymore. We are going to demonstrate to the world, to the other nations, young as we are, that we are prepared to lay our own foundation. As I said in the assembly just minutes ago, I made it point that we are going to say that we create our own African personality and identity. It's the only way in which we can show the world that we are ready for our own battle. But today, may I call upon you all that at this great day, let us all remember that nothing in the world can be done unless it has the purported support of God. We have done the battle, and we again rededicate ourselves not only in the struggle to emancipate other territories in Africa. Our independence is meaningless unless it is linked up with the total liberation of the African continent. And here, I will ask the band to play the Ghana national anthem. freedom.
Is it true that we have a freedom as a country, as a nation, as a citizens? Do we have the freedom? Aside for Dr. Kwame Nkrumah Kasana Baby Udre and Wakaze, let us give few minutes near Mumpai. And a while my woman and change will be a two nature. So let us pray for Ghana. As I say, Nyamin Nimua. Nyamin Nimua. Kajo Mano de Ebase Nyamin Nimua. You can't build this nation without God. You can't do it. I don't know what you know. The whole month for Ghana. The whole month is for Ghana. And until yeah, couldn't say no, yeah, couldn't say yeah, can't. Many boy the better to now come. And Ryan, I don't many also for Abraham Opoku Bafo. You to train Koma. You be draw baby who said national identity is important. Okay. Man penine when you're a baby called all Casano or see here Africa identity. Africa identity. And ra opinion here Casano say Ghana as a nation we need a national identity. The dying yensu ye bang ya brabo ya kwenu ya senyina and ujina baby now kasape yes we were Ghana ni. The way I will be drinking, the way I will be kasa, the way I will be toto niyama, the way I will be yawo niyama. So out of that, we can say that we have a called word. What do you call it?
Core values.
Core values. Because you know, say near you niyama, we near GD, yenye sewa. On my way, you will be. I can remember I went to South Africa. Udru South Africa, woman near man, you know, say, we go to other countries. Do we have this? Ya way ever ye may moana. To baby crown, no, ya beba to baby Ghana ni pa ba or ya santini, wa yamfantini, wa ya deni, wa yankreni, wa ya ibini, wa ya dagbombeni. A yen ya crasso becasso wa ye adeni. Obeka brofo sa me wa brofo nya yen yakasa. So we adenti kura na yadwene kire ye se ye kuroma de nyame de ama ye no ye de ye mpe be ba multimedia foforo na joy wo ka brofo kura na no mo sresero. And I was the only person me can't trees for some years. I'm a year Juma Hanum, I be a tree dear, and so bear can one a jamo a woman kunsa the bear tree dear. Woman kunsa. Mum kunsa. Said yes, a bro for the abad, a tree dear, and a be in the any of and no crime and no more bread home. Womb kunsa, country wa. Yenya ye kurum kasa. Ye chiwa de ma will be. Now this month, I'm going to talk more about some of these things. How do we even ridicule Ubibe country and now become fancy and now become crime and now become igbe? What does it mean? It doesn't make any sense to me as a citizen. A DNA mayen dance. I love it. Good morning.
Good morning, Papa.
And I'm starting to connect him. It is a mantra. We need to fight. We need to fight. We need to fight and fight and fight and fight and fight. But your bumpire, my.
Erade yesho and you nyam yayo kesi biem. Adom ne mo brunhunu ti ena anopen so yetiase. Nge ya ho dimbi. Nge nyansem bi. Chade pani ade panyina afi werade. Enu nti anope asidan kan odin. Yeda was my tea for your momo share baby biaro bia won your mind Ghana. Baby out there be drew ya kasa asidan kan odin. Anopen so Erade be yakoma mu be entiase aniwa. Nya wo ma ye fadom ye. pawasɛm ho ntoma kyerɛ ma yɛntie wasɛm na wasɛm ho tumi nya dwuma wɔ yɛabrabɔ mu fansa ka yɛn tɛkyerɛma wɔma wode aba studio ha ne yɛbɛka nyɛ neɛ ɛfi w'awurade ɛmfa akoma tɔyɛ mu mmara ɛmfa nidasoɔ mmara ɛwɔ Jesus Christ din mu amen.
Meda ase for Abraham Opoku Bafo mimi ni akitoa de Bafo ente ono so you can Bafo na de Bafo ewu atoaso so de ndi Opoku Bafo pacho ma meti ase
pacho ma me de wafim.
Oh okay
Kafra papa na etiase
otiase all right and ye wadachi yeko meme de me die me no nyina no mawie dada ma se no me no nyina so we ye esi edo enu 3 months grana back so we ato aso important mo amete papa bi ewo ye posini ofri area mo ho ada no mo twen o ma hye date o mo be ye na ye posini. Yes, last week yesterday, the year as well.
Oh,
yes.
Very sad.
When we are unfortunate, say, woman nam boom, woman didi boom, woman num boom, just say, Papa no ye in see the cry. The year as well to us. Some of these things, yana, some. Nete wo bo mpa na na me di ntem bisasa nka be bisasa wa mo mpa ya mama you so you do so yoba to ye be wi anu abo
be wi ama mek na menso mo bibi kaketu bi fa ho International Women's Day exactly 5 years today na me ba Christian Council chair na afeni afbe afeba kwa ya family German Christian Council International Women's Day na your be program invite First Lady Wetremu Nana Konadu Ajiman Rollins ne lawyer for akese bi ni ade na me na me kwakoye MC.
Oh okay.
Me na me kwakoye MC sa program no na ahomache be 4 na that time my warranty me ya fefu no say ne ho nya no fine papa by 6 o'clock no our firstborn into my firstborn and birthday and then the birthday you know International Women's the intimate to me ankoye MC no
really
to my friend officer mean to me ankoye MC na ano pay
bad girl na
me bad girl no on your first yes
wow and it ye wo no International Women's Day hey girl why special. Oh, I see.
Jim FM.
Oh, okay. Then we have a special daughter.
Yes,
very
special daughter.
Very special daughter.
Gabriela Opokubafo.
Also, oh yeah.
Gabriela Anochiwa Opokubafo.
Yeah, I meant to mass you. To be honest, me Barbara for you.
But when you bro for din
Gabriela.
Can't bro for na mum a bro for to say Western but where a biblical name a Gabriel
now bro for no mudi here fire yaw Bible wo ma ya yankwa na wo Bible mu onso kan yawe right. As of this week, come on. So now we are starting here. So national identity and your core values. Yan san trimu kakra bio. Yan san shasi yan she. And also on my wedding fear do you see enum the national identity no yan hwɛ sɛ nea ɔsɛ yɛn ya say yeah ka kono ayi bedru ba bi ɔsɛ nya one national development and planning and when me ho sɛ nansane graphic na wo on front page ne sɛ eniema National Development and Planning
Commission NDPC.
Woma ya to no. Aben bi aba no atwatwene. Enra and the whole night me nine. And so I was going through na me home and I'm like, okay, all right, we deal with this matter. Internet just say on mine ye won crofo ye tua wo mo ka mo plan ma on mine no. Nanso so implementation is a big problem. And on a better day.
Yo, Papa me that's me chat for no more machine na senior Udi can no ifiti ase ka say we need a national identity na senior kan no mra Dr. Kwame Nkrumah ka say Africa needs a personality and identity.
Yes.
Yeah, there radia say ema no na ye ka say with national identity no as I say ye ka kasabako na ye kan Genesis 11:6 or say omusi Tower of Babel no mo kakasa bako and ye can say is deeper than just dialect say ye kan knan ana aigbe ana asante na kasabako say unity of purpose. So yingina ya say ye to blog na fa ha ye to afa ha inteno akra me example say on my mumpo yimbu say ho say education ye kakasa ba ko ana obi ba ne kasa ye 3 years obi kasa ye 4 years obi kasa old system obi kasa ye new system obi kasa ye American system na de nti enye kasa ba ko so man kasa ba ko there's no way am to me see a dino nti ye ka ho asem ene de koka core values no asem say we need core values into yes also can say some values are yaking say ya on mine only I know mine dia na ko ba na say
ye could be dia
na openi because discipline ya so mchoboy discipline choboy openi ni fiwa na discipline no ayira atiato
because yempra yenimu na say the party for mpone na nya adwene a
na say very soon as a better ato no
some dey make regional minister because yempra be kura na the party for
a bit to me possible.
Yes.
A bit to me possible because I told Anna obi ho beka say ebi kra na oye ebi ebemo bi nto mame na it's a possibility. It's missing sir.
So we bubu we two we mu free then party no leadership beka say dey we ye dey we be man ye lose vote it the adwene ni nyina ye vote aye pe na imom anya oman ni ye yo
punto enti etoda ebi ba bemu a omo work towards the next election not towards development it to me a banisa
they work towards
the next election not towards development possible pa possible pa ebi nti it to me banisa ne senti ena I was a mekacho say I've been privileged say National Development Planning Commission maybe my meetings be on my frefre inti minim first hand say your NDPC or National Development Planning Commission minim say omo plan ma on mine papa African Union crowd will be a friend agenda 2063 African Union omo be a friend agenda 2063 almost by the year 2063 near ma omo 2063 yes African Union crowd planning agenda 2063 by the year 2063 near ma omo pese Africa Mambia edru ho efa ma ho efa mofra ho youth ho efa identity a came one of them is omo say small arms no tuni ade ebefi Africa enti ewo ho documents ni na ho agenda 2063 so if the whole of Africa were agenda 2063 any Ghana should have an agenda, national agenda, but I believe we have because you are NDPC or National Development Planning Commission.
I also 2035. I also be bia kwanyeye. 2035. But the implementation. Papa na make us say yeah timemufo yenimua. Then we can demand accountability. We can demand say we necessary. Papa okay say no make us say see ebe to aba for instance. Enye political party na bebe ese so be ka kire say me ba me we. Ese ye ne ehu say
yehia way inti ne obewi ni bia no so ye party way o so onye party way o sanema way de on no esase yenya ye dey radi as say president the free education by but before the beba no esase nka on no ye ya kase esase on bia before bia we should have demanded it a long time ago. We should have demanded it a long time ago from whoever saw MPP ni saw NDC. But papa challenge back on say, and I think they no pay waka ho asema no. Say aban and also na me be demand say ye here we beef no because me tie aban no me pen asem. But it's not see yes sad here. Sa 2035 asemi say no ye nru hoda
the big da
say aban bi ewo mu na e ka sete say no ka ekwan yi na obi support to aban bi say on pay as enya say obi mpa obi as it's a development issue.
Yes,
it's not a political party issue. It's a development issue.
Yes, sir.
America for beto aba ne mesisi wo aman bi so esi wo ho choboy mempene omo ye debate na but omo ye pe Omungina. So over trash almost do come together against you because of maybe. Enti papa say ye koye nimu from Enra ye Traswa Development Planning Commission wo omo plane ema omano. Na omo plane ma omano so siano SSC Timemu form penifua institutions ahodo religious institutions
now to what's the development planning committee a commissioner committee
national development
planning
me pacho I'm a committee meaning say wo kroma
meeting
yes
office
yes me call office omo frame meeting bia emre bia twem ti minim say ye wona minim say
omo office ye tua nkrofo ka
Papa no de minim say
want to learn crusem
Papa no de minim
want air condition mu
Papa no de minim ba minim say o ma ye adwuma pa enti aka say ye be ma politicians no afa ne omo aye no
na me hu so ma ye press conference da wo me hu so mu gina ba bi kire bibia mu da wo. In fact, the next no me can say no good at that. Because if we have such commission, ye tua wanka. Me si kaka ho. Me no the American can ma obi awo. Me si kaka ho. Me tua tax. It is say ye wo DPC wo ho no mo dia. The oma tire go ho no. They must let us know. Pass the sofa. Pass the sofa.
Ezanza menye juma wo hontino. Mean to me enka nemo minim say ye will National Development Planning Commission. That one I know.
Yeah.
That one I know.
Okay.
That one. Papa, I want to believe say SSC ye to me emma political parties are yet to abama no national policies no na omudis omoye nesa
kwane be hwede
ene papa your mining na intina on mine ye media ye civil society religious institutions traditional institutions no enti senior work no I believe say is also because ebia neema no nedi Nemano nedi. Sometimes minim so more stakeholders meetings, but no be a nedi enye kese. But they be as more radio so no because we wo. Then national institutions
and the citizens will be known that
they will know because say nimdie ni wa say nim say bibisa o we can't tell anybody say but we can hold people in government positions responsible. You bet me I can say by 2035 senior can as I say kwan we nyina enti obi nkase because me political favor or baby nti sika me de be no me yef you dey akose baby foforo.
That's right.
But me adie ba kwa me hu ni say we don't demand, citizens in our nation do not really demand what should be done from these from our leaders. Papa, one example here, yeka political discourse. No ani yeka kasa atemdidie no brother ba kono ba has atemdidie kasa. So obi party A, so be a party B. If we have core values as a nation, na ye peneso say ye pese kasapa ye core value atem the nim ube to me enya ne wo pe I won did you be atem. Yes, Bible and International Women's Day. Esther, the diplomacy of Queen Esther.
Yes.
Hey man, episode come uncle bet me sorry kiki, but wisdom, tactfulness, diplomacy. Diplomacy, but no account.
When the attempt,
but when but in a very diplomatic way.
Yes. No, Diane.
No, invite dinner.
Yes.
I said, only be and so no only with a lot of diplomacy.
Yeah.
But no pen unyai. Say Papa Ying and I peneso say atem didie nim penifo ye chabo one ade is not part of our core values. Say obi beye sa say me one party mukra as say me to me ba out. As a party ni ba because sa kasa no enye yen kasa yem peneso na nipa no cry he should apologize.
Yeah. Yeah.
From party nankasa no ye sa afi within a year ubon say obi to me sorry free baby abrante bia we university for free bia to send brother nka all post our party kika obi to me then na abeye part of our system.
Okay.
But say me because me what party ain't no me kaka didi atem ne ade na party A for be support na party B for say omon support but na party B ni pa no ono so be kwa koyebi na ono so crop for be support. And when we have knowledge of our development policy, that's number one. Then number two, we can demand that it is worked out. See, and non say your problems na be solve. Na mum at least ye be ko nkakra towards development aye pen na sen ye bo aman bidin no ochina bi anso ye meeting o ha obi be ka say monso Ghana is a platform for best practice. Ebe boy. Me just say hu here pa. Now pa say ye that aspect ne fiwa. Adia ba konso a ebe boy say ye 65 years. Me pesa me kind verse ba could be Bible mo.
Yes sir.
But the whole story of Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 6. Or say, so built with the wall, and all the wall was joined together unto the half thereof. For the people had a mind to work. For the people had a mind to work. Na encrofono wo adwene se obeye adwuma.
Okay.
Na debia metie Osajifo Dr. Kwame Nkrumah. Baby oka say Ghana is free forever. Eya me catch them Nkrumah be say e say kaka ho say and Ghana is responsible forever. Papa, freedom is more difficult even than slavery. Freedom is very difficult. Because so we are kwa obi na toma udi. Obi na to atade ma o de wo ye adwuma o de wo ye adwuma ba toma odi o ma baby da. In history emra omo abolish slavery in America no. Papa, blacks ni bebre omu ja omo no bebre sign back to omo masters.
Okay.
Because omu ni dan edem. Omu ni ska omu de beto aduane edi. Omu ni ntade omu be hye.
What am I used to?
Omaye used to adie no.
Yes.
To say
free.
Omaye used to
say Israel for a free
omu free Misrim.
Yes, that is why. Until no more kasa no.
Sa almost ye be call back onion ho. Garlic ho. Garlic ho. Ade na modi abesre so. Because for 430 years no na abeye part of them. Say unya liberation, unya freedom. Say nyo broni ena ebe junior now and you brony never a budget amount, ever plan amount. And from the time of Sergeant Dr. Kwame Nkrumah declare a liberation, immediately now a general questions will be and says Queen Elizabeth and Gordon Lister or Money Gadgetsburg Mubesi Achimotano says Omumbesi Bim.
Okay.
They say Gadgetsburg in the Besi Achimota Secondary School beam. They say and freedom goes with responsibility, and it is not possible to be free if you are not ready to be responsible.
Freedom goes with
responsibility.
I don't know how to Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 6 no? Verse 6.
They had a mind to
Ebinimu Bicenti Yana 4 verse 6. All right. Yes
4 verses.
No more Jenny so the besi
omo the beye
it will be your freedom. Nanso woni adwene a wo de besia
obako back obako slave obako back na intina papa nkrofo bisa say are we truly free? Have we not gone back? There be a question nkrofo case a mental slavery. This much me preach you are sorry no me catch us afune say we sure say the aeroplanes be Ghana say no visa, free Germany, free Switzerland, free Holland. One should Becca president Kufuor vice president.
Waka kuro papa wo young kuro bia won said that kura anye. Huh? On you don't mean on. What?
Uncle Fienko Fashe. Yeah, they are based on no visas in be free Singapore, free Malaysia, free Dubai, free Germany, free you be Busau passport assembly. Make us a munjin this like a Becca president and a vice, and they be a former president Mahama. So, political leaders, because say we are even talking about mental slavery. Say yenya liberty no. Say I'm fair Juma nkanwa. You be call back. Say the monsan fire being because yentumi anya Juma. Enti Nehemiah obom pae na nyame ma na dom tina nano ne e ka say nyame ma ya dom ne ya ho adwuma. O ma ya dom ne ya ho adwuma. Ti onya liberty say mo betumi akọ. Ohene no mo timba ne ade nyina no no mu ni ho ahode no na ya adom no te say ye gold ne ye koko anyame de adom ye nanso na ose etwase nipa no nya adwene a wode be ye adwuma mind to work
won say ye mbey kura mo ko Ukraine ye ntokwa aba hoyi won say bebre so mo ma
me tie Nigeria ni ba ko bi
no ewo ye kura bebre so mo ma bebre so mo ma o because we share your education yi and could we university kura a chirechirefo e call striker abantimi solve ye entime ma me banaba or banwa be ye den. You get a point?
Yes.
Me ma me banaba na branch no so ho no ne ababa wa no tu kre ho no aye tututu no when nim se wo be krom ha be baby call China koye medical doctor. Why are a professional one? Obedru kruma adian kokorafo a ewo medical yin bi catching akodano. She say was Britain. The system is such that Kasa.
We have a lot of systemic problem. Na etoda na edi inti say we are free forever. We are also responsible forever. And you can never enjoy true freedom without responsibility. Papa, even Christos Sumuno so being ready so be taking up spiritual disciplines, responsibility of prayer, fasting, you can't walk in the freedom of Christ. Nano ne toda na say just obi baby mama, just obi be and also na de aponia de ebano because a Christopher bro ha omofo say oye Christonia onya responsible for spiritual growth. As I say obi na mano but
cook for me man and talk
Sabara entesa
na man no kura Togo gate ya
yakofa
onyame sa disa
okosesa eno kura disa okosesa inte no kura ntongu wanum
I like that you blow the whole thing man na entongu wanum ebe togu abonten agisa wo kwa wakatabite
instructions instructions
and the obetimi edi no ede wo sesa man bro so a ade betina na pro
Na pro.
Nyankopon.
Apro.
Nyame pese responsible.
Very responsible. And yes, we can never enjoy liberty. We can never enjoy freedom.
Oh.
We can never enjoy it. Now, freedom no thereby. Na responsibility no. Ho ena yeguso a ye because teacher ni are responsible, student are responsible, political leader are responsible, religious leader and so you're responsible. Ti nyina sa obia ya ne de kikabom ye juma
Driver near or driver passengers.
or you're responsible.
Very responsible.
Ne o two gata na one kata so no or you're responsible.
Or ya now when
one kata and a responsibility senka oye
and one
and awanye and your how buy
Baba, you did or the good got him.
or the good got them. I thought that me who be I thought that obi ka near be windscreen na conform one say pa na to or the speed na oko. Baba ye ko enkrofo aman so a ho de imra no bedi so pe ba ye man mu de or say yengina Ghana for aban dia enyo bia dia na wa fa djuma no to say wo papa property
Me pe scripture no we can you know. The people had a mind, to work. What you pacho yansa anka ho
they had a mind to work.
The people had the mind. It is how many pe freedom na see any mind no a. Eh. As me we ya ho kakra.
Possible.
People having the mind. Sorry, kura man crofut me ba sorry. Omo dwen say sofo no tuya me school fees mama. Just say na say me can be true. Na me hwe na say eh. We are de. And this an ye so me na me o. Ye kire kronkron na wa no wetimi de won sa ye adwuma ukọ school. Me sorry, me jenkura report. Omo makwan me so bia fa report bra. Be demanded from their parents. Say my sofu juma na enye preaching enkwa be demanding kwada no report na ma hwem ni nyina dem hwe wi na ma kan kire oni ne se asa kwada ya bon no enti wo check it. We must have the mind
to work.
The mind to work. Nani ye wo papa wo ba no wo na ko to school a wontimi nkopiti ye meeting Ukasa wa ni so sensen wo ba so. Ukasa no ano no. Basra so for de me kan we ya na ma yesa ati se de ma ye bone bi no. Enso so mo senior na ba ha be kire Oh my God. Do we have the mind to work at all?
Papa, that's the question as na yebua na yefa. Do we have the mind to work? Are we ready to work? Are we ready to take responsibility in our freedom? Say we fa ho die no. Ye ready say asudia ewo mu no. Ye be ye ho adwuma ye be fa because fa ho die bia asudie wom. Fa ho die bia. Asudie wom.
Asedie wo.
Adwuma wo ho. Enti we asim ha no yema privilege keke. The reason yema privilege because of asedia ye dia to so. Yema na keke. Enti so because me right near so yema right will be ho a ye the mouth because sa right near the amount no as I say bow emma we are responsible for something. In example ne say abofra ya wo no abawiase no abofra no right say ye didn't go school but ye didn't go school no your man right no say you be responsible as you ande nintia nipa bi o man mo ba
I'm out for actually a lot of things we need to look at them and then address them because it be much and same be also ye hwena ye kekesia no because it's a bosumi ye de siwa magana after 65 years I believe that there should be some changes man 65 years na medical can say from achimota hanom ekopem nsawem Papa Kofo na starting road up just say na yɛtena wɔ aban baako aba aban mmienu ba aban mmiɛnsa na nan na ɛkwan wɔ yi ntim but sɛ metena se kora na mete sɛ mo sɛ makɔbɔbɔ besia na mehunu deɛ menka mpo na mobɔ besia no de yɛ dan mobɔ besia no kora de yɛ dan a sɛ road tietia wɔ yi mu ntimi nyɛɛyɛ mente aseɛ mente aseɛ saa kwan ya nso ɔmampanyine kɔ okurum adaroma respectfully okɔ okurum a ɔno so de ɔyɛ ade ɔmfa plane local de ebi obɛkɔ bia wɔteke ɛkwan wei kɔ okurum na aden what is the matter minister of roads wo so kra kɔ okurum so yɛ achimni so hana offer so what is the matter? Do we have the mind to work? Do we have the mind to work at all? It is a big question. So what do you be what do you be what fast hey the people
they had the mind na papa so omo ye adwuma no etoda bible say omo nsa baako ye mortar ebo na baako kuta piaw
kuta ejan was na atamfo ho adwuma bi ha be so ya atamfo ho so what na sa scripture ye zanko ho adwuma no wo ya atamfo ho ade ye papa bebo man no na enkrofo sere ede champua sere we ho enye ye. Can you believe that? No more. They were there, but the people, the mind, they had a mind to work. The mind, they had a mind. And I am for being come. Hono an ambassador, mama, papa, ura. And ya wadia and so yakwejina head. Sorry, them were basri. Na ya ware there be. Do you have the mind to work? And you who are fessa babawa brabe waram. Do you have the mind to work? To work the marriage out. The mind. The mind. And ya brabona se who sing tramwani nkurawo. Do you have the mind to take care of your own children? Yeah. Do you have the mind to do maintenance? Yeah. The people chief executive send ya wo ko chief executive prayer fa okra wa busuafo nyina hye kente ebigyaw no can say yantontom adwuma. Do you have the mind to work? Ebusuafo yedembesi o mo yedembesi but na obisa ho ba bia wo ye adwuma bia do I me ye wusu ansa. Do I have the mind to work? Do I have the mind? A scripture where the Mr. Boba Tembia and Bema Tembia Monsan Kaiho Nehemiah chapter 4 verse 20 verse 6 will be at Tebri at 2 okra mamo, but will be away with you ready to be no. For Bible na twere no kakra meni mabusuan ye wa adwene na se ye de beye adwuma ntifie na okotrema apoto bibre na ho no menko free fie wura. Have the mind to work. Ura kwesi twum we be radio yi yen a ye adwuma no manom, we must have the mind to work. This is a good word. Bomb modern deal with national identity. Na also for me, when I say development and a plan and commission on the guy, you didn't so yeah, me more party, Crawford Trends or Facebook. So the black angel will never accept such weaknesses. Home, may God bless you all. Good morning and God bless. A lot of things I'm actually on Yamea Dumwa. We will deal with that. We are responsible for our mindset, our attitude, our corruptible, and therefore we are not free with our mindset. Thank you, Pastor. We will go through it by the end of the week. You know, you better address it. Yeah, this week and next week you better to us. Yeah, very interesting. Was it the man is very knowledgeable? Bring him all the time. And praise before no munkwa kuntunsin basra sorry the Presbyterian Church Trinity Unity for nyame ahira mo wo so for fine say pa do agiro wa enti no mo sorry we ma shada ye niema wo ba kwa ti say ase mindset no ye correct
August unquenchable.
Someone who can better than my unquenchable. That's a book, no, would it be by? Book, Abusia book would be na me Obabana Mayre back Obabanu Usihon. Me yirisi hu twan just fasa buku ye agro me will be wa me office be na send bi akoma me ma mo ama no ne se he mo sori anopa mo nkenkan adepa de obi ya na efe na oba ya ho se nye na aye nye na aye the mindset to work bacho yapon Emen nyina nyame nhyiramo yakase yebom pa ya time na bitie emen nyina nyame nhyiramo 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 emma mo waga na nyina nyame nhyiramo wo nhyiramo wachira nyame ya adon ebehia achira mespa so beba so get ready for mespa enra mo amoba emrante na maba no mo yade papa. It was wonderful time so watching Rebecca Hansen. Bye bye, love you.